A very good morning to all my dear students of class 2nd. So my dear student, how are you all? I hope you all are safe, healthy and fit and fine. So my dear student, today we are going to learn about noun. Okay, noun means naming words. Children, in your language book, it means in your grammar book, see this is the chapter, okay, and topic is nouns naming word. This is page number 12, okay, and today we are going to learn about this. Everybody know what is noun. Already children हमने previous में आपको पढ़ा चुके हैं कि noun क्या होता है. What is noun? A noun is a name of a person, place, an animal or thing. Once again, I am repeating this definition, children. This is a noun definition. Noun is a name of a person, place, an animal or thing is called a noun, means naming words. Alright? So children, example, Ram, Ria, Sia, persons, thing, box, pencil, computer, animal, horse, dog, lion, tiger, and then place, India, Delhi, school, Japan. तो children ये सब क्या हो गए? Person, place, animal or thing. Okay. Once again I am repeating your definition, children. A noun is a name of a person, place, an animal or thing. Alright. So children, first please see your blackboard. This is your blackboard. See children. Nouns. Naming words. Alright. A word denoting a person, place, animal or thing is called a naming words, means nouns. Okay, once again I am repeating this, children. A word denoting a person, place, animal or thing is called a naming words. It means nouns. Example, see, person, David, uncle. David and uncle is person. Alright. Then place, Mumbai, school. School and Mumbai is place. Animal, horse, dog. Horse and dog is animal. Thing, computer, box. Computer and box is thing. So children, noun में हमारा क्या क्या आता है? Person, place, animal and thing. A word denoting a person, place, animal or thing is called a naming words, means noun. Okay children. See, person. Person means it can be your name, your father's name, your mother's name, your friend's name. Okay, it is person. Alright. Then place. Place like Qutub Minar, Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Delhi, Prayagraj, Mumbai, school, market, shopping mall. These all are places. Alright. Then think children. Think. Think like computer, pencil, box, bed, book. These all are things. Okay. Then last is animal. Animal. And what is animal? Animal like lion, tiger, elephant, dog, cat. These all are animal. Children, birds भी इसमें हम include कर सकते हैं. Bird भी हमारे nouns में आते हैं. Peacock, pigeon, parrot, sparrow. These all are what? These all are birds. Alright? So children, it is clear to you all. Means person, place, animal and thing. Person is your name, your father name, your mother name, your sister name, your uncle names, your grandfather. These all are person. Place, Delhi, Mumbai, Qutub Minar, Taj Mahal, places. And then thing, computer, box, pencil, eraser, books, things. Then animal, tiger, lion, dog, cat. animals. All right. So children, now see, this is your book. Okay, this is your book, and here is a nouns naming word. Here is a boy, and name is Abhay. See, see children, here. Abhay is running. Okay, so Abhay is a person. All right. Then these are my books. ये क्या है children? ये books है. तो these are my books. So book is your what? Books is your thing. Here is a beautiful city. Means Japan. Japan is a wonderful country, children. So I live in a Japan. So Japan is a place. Okay. Abhay, books and Japan are naming a person, thing and place. All right. See. The cow gives us milk. The cow gives us milk. So children, in this sentence, the cow gives us milk. Noun is cow because cow is a animal. So in this sentence, cow is your noun. Then a crow flies in the sky. A crow flies in the sky. So in this sentence, crow is your noun. Okay. Then a girl is playing in the garden. A girl is playing in the garden. So girl and garden is your noun. Girl is a person. Alright. And garden is a place. So girl and garden is your noun. Then children, Sohan is writing a letter. Letter is also a thing because it is a paper. Okay. So Sohan and letter is noun. Okay, children. Then once again I am repeating your noun definition. You have to listen very carefully, and it is a very, very easy definition. Okay, children. What is the definition? Definition is a noun is a name of a person, place, an animal or thing. Is called a noun or a naming word. Okay. Example, Ram is a good boy. Ram is your noun. Then Delhi is a busy city. Delhi is your noun. I have a red pen. Pen is your noun. Okay. Tommy is my dog. Tommy and dog both are noun because Tommy is a name. It's a okay, and dog is a animal. All right. So children, suppose the Taj Mahal is situated in Agra. The Taj Mahal is situated in Agra. So Taj Mahal is a place and Agra is also a place. So Taj Mahal and Agra both are noun. All right. Then children, give me your book. Give me your book. So book is your noun, children. Okay. Now see children, here is your definition. Okay. Person में children हमारे वो आ जाते हैं जो हम, जैसे किसी का नाम है, जैसे किसी का नाम है राम है या रिया है, तो ये क्या हो गए? ये पर्सन हो गए. यहाँ पर मैंने मेंशन किया है डेविड एंड अंकल. अंकल इज अ पर्सन. अगर हम इसमें एक नाम ऐड कर दें लाइक रोहित, ROHIT, रोहित. रोहित इज अ नेम. रोहित क्या है? रोहित नाम है और रोहित क्या है? पर्सन है. ऑलराइट. तो डेविड रोहित इज अ नेम. तो ये क्या है? ये पर्सन. अंकल इज ऑल्सो अ पर्सन. ऑलराइट. नाउ हियर इज अ मुंबई एंड स्कूल. अगर चिल्ड्रन हम लोग इन दोनों के साथ एक चीज और ऐड कर दें लाइक गार्डन, GARDEN. गार्डन इज ऑल्सो अ प्लेस. तो मुंबई इज अ सिटी. ओके, मुंबई इज अ सिटी. तो मुंबई भी हमारी प्लेस हो गई. स्कूल एंड गार्डन भी हमारी जगह हो गई. स्कूल सब जानते हैं कि जहाँ हम लोग अच्छी चीजें लर्न करने जाते हैं, जहाँ हम कुछ करने के लिए जाते हैं, पढ़ाई सीखने जाते हैं, उसको हम स्कूल कहते हैं. गार्डन एवरीबॉडी नो, जहाँ पर हम अपना थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं या बच्चे खेलते हैं. तो गार्डन भी हमारी जगह होगी. तो मुंबई स्कूल एंड गार्डन भी हमारा प्लेस होगी. हियर इज अ एनिमल, हॉर्स एंड डॉग. अगर हम चिल्ड्रन यहाँ पर cat ऐड कर देंगे तो cat भी क्या हो जाएगा चिल्ड्रन, हमारा एनिमल हो जाएगा. ओके, तो थिंक कंप्यूटर बॉक्स, हियर इज अ कंप्यूटर एंड बॉक्स. अगर चिल्ड्रन हम लोग इधर पेन, बुक ये ऐड कर देते हैं तो ये भी क्या हो जाएंगी चिल्ड्रन, हमारी थिंग हो जाएंगी, चीजें हो जाएंगी. सो पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल और थिंग. नाउन में हमारा क्या क्या आ जाता है, a word denoting a person, place, animal or thing is called a naming word, means noun. A noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing is called a noun. All right children. So now children, I hope you all understood clearly what is noun. So now children, please see this book. Okay, this is your language book. Okay, and here is a Abhay Books and Japan. Abhay Books and Japan क्या है, आपका noun है. Okay, तो children आज आप क्या करेंगे, आज जो हम आपको PDF आपसे share करेंगे, you have to write that in your language copy. Okay children, so children please take care. God bless you and have a nice day to all my dear students. And children, please go in the comment box, okay, so I can mark your attendance. All right, so please take care. God bless you and have a nice day to all my dear students. Thank you so much, class 2nd.